Okay, today I'm going to be teaching you how you can repair your skateboarding shoes. A little something I call shoe goo. Well, I don't call it, that's what it's called. You can get this at skate shops, hardware stores, and I think Walmart. Walmart might have it. But you want to be in a well-ventilated area when you're doing this because it brings off a sort of toxic fume. And what you're going to do is after you open it, you're going to have to open it with a screwdriver, pop it open. You're going to slide it along your shoe, strengthening the fabrics in which your skateboard rips apart. And you're going to let that dry for about a day. And after a day or a couple hours, it'll be dried and ready for your skateboard to use.